If you record videos on your phone, you may have considered upping your audio game at some point, but should you bother with a lapel mic? Today I'm going to have a look at the Boya BY-M1 microphone and find out. Nish from To The Point Tech here. I picked up this microphone on Amazon for about £15, so I'm going to talk about this microphone for a little bit, and then I'm going to move on to an experiment where I compare it to the microphone on my phone. Spoiler alert, I'm using this microphone right now, so that might tell you what the results are, but stay tuned. As for the unboxing experience, you get this nice box with a lovely stock image with a very confident presenter. There's also a nice carrying pouch, and included in there is an adapter to take you from 3.5mm to 1/4 inch in case you need that. And then there's the microphone itself, which is already in a horrific tangle. Goddamn second law of thermodynamics. Let me sort this out. So firstly, you've got the microphone itself. It's very small, as lapel mics are. It has a nice sturdy metal clip on it, and it also comes with a nice little foam cover for, pop filtering. And there you can see the naked microphone, but let's cover that up again. Then you've got about a meter of cable, and you get to this kind of middle unit. Now this houses a little watch battery, which comes included, by the way. And basically, if you're using this with a camera or computer, you need to switch this on. But if you're using it with a phone, then it's fine to stay off. It won't use the battery. Next, you've got like a whopping 4 meters of cable. Luckily, they give you a nice cable tie to keep that nice and neat. But it's kind of a handy feature in case you want to do a really long shot. And lastly, we have the jack. This has 4 poles on it. So if you're using it with your phone, you don't need an adapter. That's a bonus. All right, now that that's out the way, let's talk about sound. Now, the reason you might want to use a microphone like this is you basically want to put the microphone closer to the source that is speaking or making the noise so that your signal to noise ratio is better. Now what I've done is use the same test phrase with this lapel microphone and also my phone. So you can hear the lapel mic now. Microphone testing 1, 2, 3. And here is me, very close with my phone right in front of me. Microphone testing 1, 2, 3. Pretty similar, right? The phone is not that bad in recording. Phones these days have really good cameras and really good microphones as well. But here's me standing a meter away from the phone now with the volume kind of normalized up. Microphone testing 1, 2, 3. So you can hear that hiss there, and what's happening is because I'm further away from the microphone, my voice is basically not as loud compared to the noise. So the noise is getting boosted up when I try and normalize that recording of myself. So there you have the benefits of a lapel mic in a nutshell. It's not necessarily that this microphone is better quality than the one on my phone. Just the fact that I can get it on my person rather than being far away from it means that I can produce a better quality recording. As I did mention, there's a lot of very similarly priced microphones on Amazon that look very similar, probably aren't exactly the same. As far as I could see, there was only one by a big brand, Rode, but it costs about £50, and from what I could see, there's nothing particularly special about it. And really, with lapel microphones like this, they aren't meant to be super high quality fidelity because they're very portable, very small. There is going to be a limit to what kind of quality you can push out of it. And that's a wrap. Not a real wrap, you'll have to look at one of my older videos for one of those. Hopefully I've shown you the benefits that a cheap lapel mic can bring to your video production. As for the Boya BY-M1 itself, I'd say I'm quite happy with it. It's nice that you don't need any adapters when using it with a phone, and also it's nice they included a couple accessories. I don't see a pouch on all of the microphones out there. As for the cable being ridiculously long, it's kind of a feature in a way in case you need to use it for something, but of course it could become an annoyance. As for the cons, I did find this middle control unit a bit awkward to clip onto clothes a little bit. And the other thing is, for some reason when I connect it to my computer, the audio quality isn't quite as good, and I think there's some kind of noise suppression going on my phone which isn't present on the computer, so I'm not sure what's up with that, but maybe I'll look into it a bit more. And that's everything. Hope this has been a useful video. Please let me know what you thought of it in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one.